Every time a user redeems one of your promotions and sends money to their club, we will connect you with that club. But there is no need to wait for that. If there are clubs you want to connect with, you can reach out through the MyFavorito Dashboard right now. Click the button below this video in the Welcome Assistant or click Communities in the navigation toolbar. Click on Search tab at the top of the page. Here you will find a list of all sports clubs, and you can search for the one you would like to connect with. Select the club to review their information. And click Request to Join. Your request to join their community can be just that, an initial contact with a short message. Or you have the option to offer a pricing model. Clubs have the option to accept or deny a request or respond with their own pricing model. Write a short message, send the request, and you will be notified when they respond. You can keep track of your requests in the Request tab.